When you get out for a walk, it sure does clear your head from all the overthinking about content creating, but it also offers you new, fresh ideas. When I was on this walk, I saw so many birds and heard their songs, from blue jays to cardinals to Canada geese, and saw these patches of water, puddles, rivers, babbling brooks, the dike lands that protect the ocean from flooding our fields, a large dog park for running your dog off leash, and it just went on and on. The mayflowers that are in this season. I couldn't keep my eyes off of everything, and I couldn't keep my camera from capturing all the photos. It was a wonderful, tranquil time connecting with nature. A great break from having your mind in work mode all the time.